Hey everyone, today I want to show the new old scaffolding tool in VS Code. It's been here for a while with the hashtag new, but now there is a new feature which allows it to use context7 to bring up-to-date docs to our required packages, libraries, frameworks. This allows the agent to have curated context that will get us up to the requirements with high precision and curated context, which is needed for good results. The way to activate it is you need to go to the settings, open user settings, and look for context7. There's a new checkbox, new workspace, use context, check the checkbox, and that's one thing. Another thing you need to have the context7 MCP. I have already have it installed, but if you haven't done so yet, head up to codevisualstudio.com/MCP. There are a bunch of curated MCP servers from all around, and you can also find context7 and install it in one click. Or, of course, shameless plug, you can go to promptboost.dev, and here you have prompts, instructions, chat modes, and MCP servers. And you can go ahead and look for context7 and you can install it. You can install it for VS Code or for insiders in one click. And let's head back to our IDE and start. Once you have these two, the settings and the MCP installed, you can start. We will create a new project with Next.js and Tailwind, use latest packages and best practices, and set up a dev process. Let's first plan and then create a new project. Use the current workspace, which I already opened. If I haven't opened it yet, it will ask me to create one. Another nice thing that we're seeing here is the task list. So you can see that there is a new feature that showcases the agent plan, a detailed plan, step by step. I know that this is going to be revamped even more, but this is a nice addition that makes the overall progress of the agent much more focused. So let's see how this works during the video. So it asks us to choose a workspace. I'll choose the one that we already have open in VS Code. Okay, now it is asking to use the context7 MCP server. We'll allow it in this session so it won't keep asking me time after time. Okay, this is another tool by context7. We'll also allow it in this session. Great. So it says that it gathered all of the information needed about Next.js. It updates the to-do list, so nice, and now it's creating the workspace structure. So this is really nice. You can even see that we're being suggested to install extensions that will allow us a better development experience. So it's actually using the VS Code extensions and installing them for us. Some of them I already have installed, and some it is asking for permission. We'll allow it. So basically, we're coming to an end. We can see that all of the tasks are done. We have a summary of what was achieved. We can even see that during the scaffolding, there were issues. The agent identified them, it fixed them, tested, created a test, and was able to complete it. So this is quite nice. You can even see that during all of this time, it was fully autonomous, meaning this was all one-shotted, meaning one premium request. This is quite nice. The only reason I need to click accept is that I have still low trust. I don't want the agent to do RM, RF to my Mac, but in a perfect world, I can run it in a container and then I can give it a YOLO mode and get to my business, come back when it's ready and see the entire project ready. Let's see if we can get to the finished product, compiling, and we can see that we have the website ready and we can start iterating from here. We have a good baseline. And obviously, this is quite a mundane example. There are millions of boilerplate for Next.js with Tailwind, but let's say that we have a more specific requirement, something a bit more exotic that is not popular. So we can basically one-shot it with our specific needs and have this boilerplate that we will not find anywhere else be made for us specifically by the agent. So this is quite a nice addition. I really like it. I hope you enjoyed this demo and let me know in the comments how are you going to use it.